Stupid allergies. Anyway, I'll get an update on the channel. We've been doing some cleaning and catching up around the house. Doing the do list. Stupid honey. Yeah. But been driving Blazer the last couple days, and you know, it's one thing after another, after another. But after putting the new motor mounts and stuff in it, I've created a vibration, which I think is a driveline angle issue with the dry shaft, because the transmission actually raised up a little bit when we put the new transmission on in, because the other one was all busted. So we got to get that. The clutch needs a little bit more bleed time. The clutches on these things are such a pain in the butt to get bled out that it's a pain in the ass. I don't know what else to say. But the clutch master cylinder is working out great. I'll pop the hood here and I'll show you what I did and which one I end up using, because the ones on the internet that the guy said he used, I couldn't get it to work. So I don't know if he ever did and just didn't tell nobody that he couldn't get it to work, or he figured it out. So let me get this crazy hood open. Alright, I'm gonna flip you around here. Alright. Well, hopefully you could see it down there. Ow, that was hot. You get the, that is an 85 S10 Blazer master cylinder. That's what I went in the parts store and asked for. That's what they gave me. It's the cast iron one, and it's got a thread in bung, and you can see how far it moves away from the header, and at the line comes out towards the header, but the way I bent it, I don't know if you can see it, it folds back towards the wheel and then goes back down underneath the motor. So it kind of keeps it away from as much heat as possible. I'll probably put some heat wrap around that whole thing, because it's pretty close to the header. But my other problem that I have now, after putting in the new distributor and getting the motor slid back, it won't come back to idle unless I just tap the throttle. If I'm sitting somewheres or I'm coming to a stop, push the clutch in, it's still, I don't have a tach, so I can't tell you how high it is, but I tap the throttle and it'll drop right back down to idle. Been Googling it. It's been, make sure your vacuum advance is working, unplug it. If you unplug it and it goes back to idle, there's, you know, something wrong with your timing and the way the timing. I just ain't been able to figure it out. I don't know if you can tell, the wiring mess is gone. We haven't wire wrapped or put wire loom on anything yet, but that's the only wires that goes up. It comes down to the alternator. This comes over and is more of the alternator wires, the long ones that come around. Your starter wire comes down and around. AC wire, which I got the AC wired back up, it's working. And then the mess of my fan relay, my fan control over here is still not sorted out, because I'm going to put it over here when I put the aluminum radiator in. This will all get rewired and get wire loomed back up into there, so it looks all nice. Haven't put the windshield washer back in because, you know, like I said, I'm going to wire loom stuff up behind it. Still ain't figured out why the windshield wipers won't turn off. But other than that, it's driving and running nice. Got my new Sniper EFI hyper coil. We're about to start on Luca's truck. We pushed it outside to power wash it. We're getting ready to start plasma cutting the front end out of it, and we took the fenders and the hood off of it to make it easier for us to do it and easier for you guys to see what we're doing. So I'm gonna get off of here and get these videos uploaded, just so you can have an update. And the next few videos you'll see is his truck over there, that way. His truck getting torched apart. But like, share, subscribe, and get our channel going. And peace out. And I hate these allergies.